现在是这里。
He using the tweezer to find the place.
我要先看到镊子，看到镊子。
Yeah.
你看，把它调上去。好模糊啊！我们要把它调清晰。
这个是调什么的？这是上下的。
这个调这个上下的清晰度。
This one is to adjust the tone up and down cleaning or not. 这个来调前后是吧？
调这个前后。
This is adjust the front and back.
看清晰度已经出来了，我调一下，越来越清晰了，这个。
Yeah.
清晰了就可以。位置也不正确，你要找这个位置。是啊，我们要现在找这个位置。
We find the one of the end of the LCD flex. 找到那个触摸排线一个端点是吧？
找到排线的端点。
This one, this one his adjusting is the left and the right side.
这边一样的调节。
This part also the same. We find the left end of the LCD flex.
再把它调清晰。
Make it clearly, and adjust the front and the left, etc.
清晰了，把它调平。我放的时候习惯把它这两边放的平。
When he adjust, he more prefer to adjust the left and the right screen on the same level. Looks like the same level.
这个把这个排线放大一点。
He adjusting the camera to make the screen showing more big, enlarge the image. Can you understand? Okay, now it's okay.
那我们的位置，所有的清晰度位置都找好了，我们就开始对这个排线的位置。
Okay, we know the flex of the LCD placed in the correct position already, because we first to find this part to press down in there is correct, and then we adjust the length to make it showing image correctly. This side is showing the end, one of the end of the LCD flex. The left side, and this one, this corner line end is this part end. So the place is already found. Okay, now then we check the LCD flex place. The new flex we will put.